Hey guys, welcome back to Default Media. I have come with one more video to give you an answer for your unsolved questions. Before that, in this video, I am going to share you how to make racing bar charts for free. Here we go. First, let's see some of the popular YouTube channels which do the racing bar charts. First is Data is Beautiful. It has 1.32 million subscribers with 58 videos. I think this is one of the biggest channel in this category. There is another channel under the same name. This has 74,000 subs with 53 videos. There's another channel named Wawamu Stats with 330,000 subs for 174 videos. One more is Dr. Stats with 37,000 subscribers for 26 videos. Even this channel used the same method as I am going to tell in the next few minutes. Next is Animated Stats with 162,000 subscribers for 121 videos. The last example is Captain Gizmo. This has 166,000 subscribers for 48 videos. So I think it's enough of examples. Coming to the point, how do we make these types of videos? It's simple. Open a new tab and type Flourish Studio. Click on the first website. Then this page will open. Here, you will see features, examples, pricing and sign up. Here the account you create is public. If you want to make it private, you can pay here in the pricing section. If you are using for the first time, then click on Get Started for free. And then you will be directed to a page where you need to fill your email, username and password. Or you can also log in with your Google account. Since I have signed in already, I will sign in first. After that you are directed to this page. So this is the home page. Click on New Visualization. Here you have a variety of charts. Scroll down until you find Bar Chart Race. In Bar Chart Race, you have three categories: Bar Chart Race, Column Chart Race, Images with captions. You can choose anything. I will choose Bar Chart Race. This is the racing bar chart. So by default it shows the timeline of population country-wise. Some of the settings are there in the right side. If you want to learn about the settings, click on the I button. Before that I will show you where you can input the data. Click on the data. Here you can input the data. If you have an Excel, then click on Upload Data. This takes to your file manager. Select the file. Once selected, click Open. Then Import Publicly. Click on Select the columns. Now you can see the data is inputted. Let's check the preview. So you can see that many links are displayed above the racing bar chart. To remove that, move back to data. Now on the right side, you will find label, values, category and image. Label is the column containing names of the bars, that is countries or people. Let that be A, because A represents countries. Next, values, it represents the columns containing the data. So it's C2N. As we wanted to remove the links above the bar chart, leave the category option empty. And for the image option, I will put it as B. Now we need to change the color of the bar, since all have the same color. In the right side click bar color and click on by bar, choose your color pattern. Now the racing bar chart is ready. And one more thing, you might be wondering where to find data, click on the I button to learn more. So if you liked our video, please do give a like and make sure you subscribe to our channel so that YouTube notifies you when we upload videos.